Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and I'm back today with another really awesome stitch pattern to share with you. I want to see how many light and lacy stitch patterns I can squeeze in before the summer ends, and this one doesn't disappoint. It's a 2-row repeat, and to make anything you want, you just need to start with a multiple of 6 chains plus 5. And this one was really quick to memorize. I really enjoyed making it, and hopefully you will too. So this is the front. This is the back. Really very pretty. And this is the pattern on its side. If you wanted to create a wrap, and say for instance this was going across your back. And in today's tutorial, we are using Caron Simply Soft in Light Country Blue. It's a size 4 medium weight yarn. And a D 3.125 millimeter crochet hook. This is kind of smaller than what you would typically use or what's recommended with the packaging, but I wanted the stitches to really stand out so you could see them. You might have to make a swatch to see what size hook you would like to use. If you're interested in the written directions, they'll be in the description box below, along with the timestamps and instructions on how to speed up or slow down my videos in case I go too fast or too slow for you. And I believe that's everything I wanted to say, so let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so like I said before, you need a multiple of 6 chains plus 5. So a multiple of 6 is 18 plus 5 for 23. All right, 23 chains. For row 1, in the 5th chain from the hook, you double crochet. Chain 3, skip 5 chains, and here is where your repeat will begin. In the next chain, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, all in the same chain. Chain 3, skip 5 chains, and then we begin again. Double crochet, chain 3, double crochet in the same chain. Chain 3, skip 5 chains, and that's your repeat. You repeat that the whole way across, but we're at the end now, so we skip 5 chains, and in the last chain we're going to double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same chain. Chain 1, double crochet. That is row 1. Row 2, chain 3, counts as a double crochet. Turn your work. So we need 4 double crochets for the end. This counts as a double crochet, so that's 1. The second one we're going to stick in the first stitch. The next 2 we're going to put in this chain 1 space. So 2 double crochets in the chain 1 space. And this kind of evens them out a little bit so they're not all scrunched up and tight in that corner. So 4 double crochets, skip the chain 3 space, and in the next chain 3 space of this V-stitch right here, we're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, all in the same chain space, chain 3 space. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 more double crochets, all in that chain 3 space. And that's what you're going to repeat across. 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the V-stitch. Skip the chain 3 spaces in between. So we'll skip this space, and in the next V-stitch we will work our 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. And once you get to the end of the row, we need to work 4 double crochets again. So we will put 2 double crochets in this turning chain space. 1, 2, and then work the last 2 in the third chain. And that really doesn't matter. If you wanted to put all 4 in the turning chain space, it will come out exactly the same. It's not a big deal. Just as long as there's 4 double crochet. That's row 2. Row 3, you chain 4, counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. We're repeating this row down here. So we're going to make this stitch right here. So you'll double crochet in your first stitch to recreate this one. Chain 3, skip the next 6 stitches, and we're going to be working into this chain 3 space right here, and you will double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, all in this chain 3 space. Chain 3, and you'll repeat that across. Skip 6 stitches, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 3 again, and you'd continue that the whole way across. And once you get to the end of the row, in the last stitch, which is the chain 3 turning chain, the top of the chain 3 turning chain, you're going to work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same stitch. That is row 2. And all you have to do to complete the pattern is just repeat row 2 and row 3. And when you're finished, you get this really beautiful lacy fabric that would be so great for beach cover-ups, lacy baby blankets, bedspreads, table runners, anything you would really like to make with it. It's really quite beautiful. If you have any suggestions on what could be made with this stitch pattern, please leave those in the comments below. Maybe you could help others decide what they would like to make with this stitch pattern. Also, if you're interested in watching videos where your stitch tutorials are set to soothing music, be sure to check out my second YouTube channel, Lotus Crochet, where I recreate all of these stitch tutorial videos and it's set to beautiful music rather than talking. Thank you so much for being here today. If you enjoyed my video, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I release new stitch tutorials every other day. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.